How to delete your Google account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can delete your Google account. In order to delete your Google account, you'll need to check your internet connection, and deleting your Google account will delete all of the Google services. In order to delete it, so then to begin with, open up your settings application on your device. After that, scroll down to the bottom, go ahead and click on Google. As soon as you go ahead and click on Google, you'll be able to see your profile page. Over here, you'll need to select the particular account for which you actually want to delete your account. After that, you need to go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Next page, you'll be taken to the Google info page. Over here, you'll need to scroll or swipe towards your left hand side and then select data and privacy. As soon as you've done that, scroll down to the bottom. See right at the bottom, delete your Google account. So if you're sure about it, then tap on the option. So in order to delete your account, you'll need to confirm your identity. So for that, you'll be asked to type in the device's password. So click on the continue button. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Here you'll be stated that all of these services will be deleted along with your Google account. If you're sure about it, then mark on the terms and conditions, click on delete account, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you click on the delete account button, your account will be removed from your device, and that is basically how you can delete your Google account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.